Good morning, students. Today's topic is solving quadratic equations by factorization method. What is quadratic equation? The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and the condition is a not equals to 0. Such equations are called quadratic equations. And we can solve quadratic equations in four different ways. They are factorization method, graphical method, completing square method, and using formula. Now we are learning how to solve by factorization method. For the remaining methods, click on the link given below in the description box. Now, without doing late, let us solve questions. The question is, solve the following quadratic equations by factorization method. What is the question? 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Observe the equation carefully. What is x square coefficient? Yes, it is 2. What is x coefficient? Yes, it is plus 1. What is constant here? Yes, it is minus 6. Now let us solve. Step 1. Multiply x square coefficient and constant. Here x square coefficient is 2 and constant is minus 6. Multiply them. It is minus 12. What is step 2? Factorize the product. What is the product? Yes, minus 12. Factorize it. That is 1 comma minus 12. This is one factor. Second one, minus 1 12. Next, 2 comma minus 6. Next, minus 2 comma 6. 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3 comma 4. Thus, we factorized the product. Step 3. Select that set of factor whose sum is x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is plus 1. So, choose that set of factors whose sum is plus 1. Observe carefully. Minus 3, 4. By adding minus 3 plus 4, we will get plus 1. So, among these factors, choose this one. What is the next step? Split x term. How to split x term? We already selected minus 3, 4. So, we are splitting x term as minus 3x plus 4x. The remaining are same. Now, step 5. Take commons. That means first two terms are, observe what are the first two terms? 2x square minus 3x. Here we can take x as common. By taking x as common, we get 2x here. Minus, by taking x as common, we get 3. So it is x into 2x minus 3. Now come to the other two terms. Here observe. What is your observation? We can take 2 as common. So plus 2 into again 2x minus 3. Now 2x minus 3 is appearing 2 times. So we can take 2x minus 3 is again common. Now here x is the remaining term and here 2 is the remaining term. So it was factorized as 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now something into something is equal to 0. then in mathematically we write first one is 0 or second one is 0. So here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. By solving, x is equal to 3 by 2 or minus 2. This is its answer. Now let us come to one more question. The question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Observe here, it is 1 by 8. So multiply each term with 8. It becomes 8 into 2, 16x square minus 8 into x minus 8x. Multiplying 1 by 8 with 8, it becomes 1 is equal to 0 into 8. Yes, it is 0. Now, the quadratic equation became 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, step 1. Did you remember what is the step 1? Multiply x square coefficient and constant. That means 16 into 1. It is 16. Now factorize this 16. 1 16. Minus 1 minus 16. 2 8. Minus 2 minus 8. 4 4. Minus 4 minus 4. Now select that factor whose sum is, whose sum is x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? Look, this one. X coefficient is minus 8. So, minus 4 minus 4. We have to select because minus 4 plus minus 4 is minus 8. Now, split x term as minus 4x minus 4x. So, the quadratic equation became 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, time for taking out commons. Observe first two terms. We can take 4x as common. So, 4x into 4x minus 1. Now, from these two terms, we can take minus 1 as common. So, it becomes 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is your observation? 4x minus 1 appears twice. So, taking 4x minus 1 as common, the remaining term is here 4x and here remaining term is minus 1. So, it is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. We already told you x into y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0 in mathematics. So, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 4. Both are same. Now come to third question. Observe the question carefully, don't worry. The question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now we already told you, multiply x square coefficient that is root 2 and constant 5 root 2. By multiplication, we get root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 5. Yes, that is 10. Now factorize 10. That is 1 10 minus 1 minus 10, 2 5 minus 2 minus 5. Choose that factors whose sum is x coefficient. That is nothing but 2 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So now split x term like 2x plus 5x. Now take common here. What are the first two terms? Root 2x square plus 2x. Do you know what is 2? 2 means root 2 into root 2. So we can take root 2x as common. Now it becomes root 2 x square becomes x. 2 becomes root 2 because we are taking root 2 as common. From the next two terms, we can take 5 as common. It became x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Once again, x plus root 2 appears twice. So, we can take x plus root 2 as common. The remaining terms are root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, first one equals to 0 or second one equals to 0. From it, we get its answer as x is equal to minus root 2 or minus 5 by root 2. Let us solve one more question. The question is x into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Just multiply. Now we get x into x, x square plus x into 4, 4x. Bring this 12 to left side. It is minus 12 is equal to 0. Now the equation became x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now multiply x square coefficient and constant minus 12. Factorize, select, split, take common and simplify. You will get the answer 2 or minus 6. Yes, let us go to one more question. The question is x minus 3 by x is equal to 2. In this question by x, a little bit odd here. So, we multiply each term with x because it is equation. So, we can multiply. Now it becomes x into x, x square minus 3 by x into x is 3 is equal to 2 into x, 2x. That means by multiplying each term with x we get it. Now bring 2x to left side. It becomes x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now multiply x square coefficient into constant. It is minus 3. Factorize, select, split, take common and solve. You will get its answer as minus 1 or 3. One more question. This is our last question. Observe carefully. 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 12. It appears in a minus b whole square. Apply this famous formula. What is it? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And multiply minus 5 into x minus 4. You will get here. And simplify. Now you get 3x square minus 29x plus 56 is equal to 0. Multiply x square coefficient into constant 168. Factorize, select 8 comma 21, split, take common and simplify. You will get the answer 8 by 3 or 7. Our next video is on solving quadratic equation by formula and preparing quadratic equations from the given roots. If you have any doubts, you can call me, and for your practice, solve your self questions are given here. Pause the video and note down the questions and practice. Thank you for listening.